to pass user testing test. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to pass user testing test. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to washing this. So in here, you just need to know that you just need to test your screen, your mic, two tabs, and remember to think out loud while you work. The practice test throws four tasks at you, which is find an article called Protecting Your Privacy While Testing, and there we will need to narrate your search. So read the part about info you should never share and then explain why the info is clear or not. Track down the article titled Contributor Code of Conduct and scan through the key points. Finally, recall one important thing you snagged from the articles. The video throws in some handy tips to tackling each task, like using the provided links to speed up your search and keeping your explanations clear and concise. So once you have conquered the practice test, wrap up it all and then make sure that you head back here and give us a like as we actually help you in that. So overall, this video is really good if you want to ace your user testing practice test. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to ace your user testing practice test. If you want to learn and you want to know more, then follow for more. Thanks.